Alright, let's get this party started. To run DeepSeek R1 on my computer, I'll fire up my browser and search for Ollama. It's the magic tool that lets me run large language models, LLMs, right on my machine. I'll hit the download button. Yoink! While that's downloading in the background, I'll head over to the models section and find DeepSeek R1. Here, I can pick from different versions. Bigger models are more powerful but also hungrier for system resources. I'll go with the 7 billion parameter version. Now, Ollama gives me a special command I'll need to install the model. Once the download is done, I'll open my Downloads folder, double-click the Ollama installer, boink, and follow the install wizard. You'll notice Ollama is now chilling in the system tray. Nice. Next up, I'll open the Start menu and search for the mighty but not so scary PowerShell. Don't worry, we're not hacking into the matrix. I'll simply paste that command from the Ollama site and hit Enter. And just like that, DeepSeek starts downloading. It might feel like it'll take 64 years, but patience is key. Once it's done, it proudly says, "Send a message." And just like that, I can chat with DeepSeek locally. Hey, are you a robot? Hit enter and it starts thinking, eventually dropping an answer like it's solving world peace. Cool, but this black terminal window? Meh. I want something sleeker like ChatGPT's clean interface. Time to fancy things up. To get that pretty UI, I'll download Docker. Think of it as a container that holds all the good stuff. I'll choose the version for my operating system, download it, and run the installer. Say yes to all the prompts. Click OK, and once installed, I'll give my PC a quick restart. Back again. I'll open Docker, accept the terms, skip the survey, because who has time, and boom, Docker is up and running. Now both Docker and Ollama are hanging out in the background. In my browser, I'll search for how to start Open Web UI container. Sounds fancy, right? In the first link, I'll find the command I need. If you're rocking an NVIDIA GPU, there's an extra command to speed things up. Copy, open PowerShell again, paste, and hit enter. Docker does its magic. When prompted, I'll click Allow. Before we continue, I'll check one last thing. Search for Windows features, click the result, and ensure Virtual Machine Platform is enabled. Beautiful. Now back to Docker. I'll spot a new container running. Clicking on its numbers opens the web interface. Bam! I'll create an account, log in, and there it is. DeepSeek R1 with a slick UI. For the ultimate proof, I'll even unplug my internet. Type a prompt. Wait a bit, it likes to think. And there you go. Answers. Offline. Sweet. Thinking, how do I uninstall all this? Easy. Open the control panel, go to Programs and Features, find Docker, and uninstall it. Same for Ollama. But wait, DeepSeek files might still be lurking. To nuke them, open File Explorer, go to C Drive, Users, your username, and delete the Docker and Ollama folders. But what's this? A wild penguin icon? Yep, that's the Windows subsystem for Linux. To make the penguin fly away, search for Turn Windows Features on or off, find Windows subsystem for Linux, and disable it. After a restart, poof, no more penguin. System cleaned up like nothing ever happened. And that's it. You've installed, used, and uninstalled DeepSeek R1 like a pro. High five.